I mean, what made you took this profession?
Hilig ko na rin po kasi since high school ako yung healing. So, nung bata naman ako, ang hilig ko is mga energy crystals. So, mahilig ako mamolekta nun ng mga crystals, and then I got a chance to study pranic healing, Reiki, mga spiritual healing. Tapos, pero iba yung course ko nun. Iba yung course ko. It's just that mga 15 years ago, nung nag-open ng alternative medicine sa University of Makati, doon siya formally nagsimula yung pinaka-academic studies, kasi they offered Bachelor of Science in Complementary and Alternative Medicine. So, nung nakita ko yun, sabi ko, tama-tama sa skill set and hilig ko. Hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy na siya.
Yung taon ka na, Doc, nag-acupuncture?
10 years.
Wow,
10 years.
By profession, ano po yung bago kayo nag-training ng
By
ng
profession, nasa BPO po ako. Nasa BPO. So, I'm working. And actually, until now, I still work in a BPO as a senior reports analyst.
Bakit po marami kang pwedeng puntahan ng mga clinic, ng mga holistic clinics din? Why SKNN with Patrick Roquel and Dr. Eileen and of course Doc Anton?
I choose SKN because I can see that the mission and vision of SKNN is very much resonant with my own vision and mission. It's all about holistic healing, it's all about wellness, and aside from that, it combines yung skincare with health, with health and wellness. So, very much connected kasi ang acupuncture din, especially now na nagte-trending yung acupuncture, yung facial acupuncture, no, for eye aesthetics, pampabata, yun. So, usually kasi if people would know, pag nalalaman nila na 44 na ako, mag mid-40s na ako, dun sila nagkaka-interest sa what do you do? Of course, I do facial acupuncture. That's one of the
Nagtutuso ka sa sarili mo?
You know.
And
Oo, yeah. Pwede.
talaga?
Yes.
A good skin.
How many acupuncturists do you have here? Are you here?
In the Philippines right
No,
now.
no.
In the clinic.
Tatlo po.
Tatlo
So,
po.
yung certified medical acupuncturist namin si Doc Webb, tsaka si Doc Rama, tuwing Saturday. Ako is Thursday and Friday.
Alright. Did you just mention it's already like 2,000 years, no? How was the
Yung
evolution?
acupuncture itself,
Right. Oo.
the practice of
Imagine yung
acupuncture
evolution
itself.
niya, no?
Oo,
From
yes.
then to now.
Actually, kumalat siya sa all over the globe throughout history. Kaya yung mga ibang countries like Korea and Taiwanese, meron din sila, nag-develop sila ng sarili nilang system and styles. Kaya when you study acupuncture, kung gusto mo talaga na mas maging bihasa ka sa acupuncture, then you need to learn many different styles of acupuncture.
Really?
Yung Korean style, Japanese style, Taiwanese style.
Parang ano rin.
Opo.
Parang massage lang no?
Oo, may Swedish, may...
Mas marami kang pwedeng i-offer.
Is acupuncture for everyone? Pwede ba siya sa lahat ng...
I would say yes. Oo. Kasi, especially kapag ang acupuncturist mo knows a lot of technique, then he would know the specific acupuncture treatment for your particular age, for your particular condition. Yun. So, pwede po siya sa bata, even infants. Meron din, meron acupuncture for infants, meron din for the elderly. Yun. Merong gynecological, so iba-iba.
Based on your experience, what has been the most accomplished thing you've done so far? Of course, you're still looking forward.
Of course, the greatest accomplishment talaga is,
Yung mga
is
napagaling
the more
mo.
you see na marami kang napapagaling.
Right.
Ang pinaka for me miraculous is yung hindi magkaanak tapos nagkaanak, yung
How many session?
acupuncture for fertility.
How many session for that?
Did it
Nag-complete siya ng mga 10 to 12 session or mga 2 months mga 2 to 3 months na session yun. Once a week, ganyan. So, Oo.
Never
Pero
ending.
pero it depends dun sa
Yeah.
condition.
Ano yun, for the female only?
Yes,
or
for female
are-
problems, for infertility, ganun.
Kung
Meron
siya
din
may
ako,
problema.
oo, so meron ding cancer patient na mas napabilis yung
Cancer?
kanyang healing.
Really?
Hindi naman acupuncture yung nagpagaling, pero
It helps.
nung kinumbine niya yung kanyang medication and kanyang western treatment with acupuncture, mas napabilis ang kanyang paggaling.
Let's say the male, yung something wrong with him, kaya hindi magkaanak, pwede rin magagawa din ng paraan.
Yes, oo.